This video will guide you while replacing the 12-volt battery in a Mercedes EQS 580. So this car is an electric car, and battery location, the engine compartment inside. So these are the protection we have to remove, and wiper blade also we have to remove, because one is the bracket on the top of the wiper arms. So wiper arms also we have to remove from location. After that you have to remove this arm, then you can get the access for removing the battery 12 volt.